Assalamu alaikum students. Please open your notebook of science. Today we will start work in notebook of science. Our topic is our needs. Our subtopic is answer these questions. Before starting these question answers, I am going to take a short review of this lesson. What are our basic needs? Food, clothes, housing or shelter, clean water and air are our basic needs. We can't live without these basic needs. We all need good food, clothes and a house to live. Good food makes us strong and healthy. We wear different kinds of clothes in different types of weather. We should keep our house and surrounding clean. Clothes and shelter protect us from heat, cold, rain and wind. Before starting this work, I am going to tell you about new words of this lesson that you will have to learn. I am going to tell you about the new words and meanings of this lesson. First of all, first word is woolen, second is uncovered and third is surroundings. These are our new words. Woolen, made of wool, clothes that are made of wool. Next is uncovered, means left open. The food that you will, when you will keep the food that is uncovered and left open. When you keep your food open, when you left your food open, it's mean uncovered. Surroundings, places around you in which you live. Answer these questions. Question number first is, why do we need food? We eat food in different times. We take breakfast, we take lunch and we take dinner. We take foods according to our needs. So we can say we can't live without food. So answer you will have to write here. Why do we need food is question. You have to write answer here and half answer. You will start from here. We need food to live. We need food to live. Answer is we need food to live. Question number second is, what happens if we drink water which is not safe? If you are drinking water which is not safe, you can fall ill. Germ will enter in your body. So you will have to take safe and clean water. Clean water will keep you healthy and fit. Exercise. Question number 2, what happens if we drink water which is not safe? The answer of this question you will have to write it by yourself. You will have to write here, we will become ill. We will become ill. W-I-L-L will, B-E-C-O-M-E, become, I-L-L, ill. Answer of this question is we will become ill. Question number first and question number 2. Question number first, I am going to repeat it again. Why do we need food? Listen these answer carefully. You will have to write it by yourself. I am not writing answer. Why do we need food? We need food to live. The answer of this question is we need food to live. Next one is, what happens if we drink water that is not safe? Definitely you will write here, we will become ill. We will become ill. We can say our food helps us to grow. Our food helps us to grow. I tell you an important and other information about this lesson. Early men didn't live in houses or wear clothes as we do today. They live in caves and wore animal skin, barks and leaves of trees. Look at here, students. Early men didn't live in houses. Look at here. They have to live in caves and they have to wear clothes. Look at here. Animal skin. They have to wear clothes that are made by animal skin. You are seeing here. This picture is showing that this is early man who lives in caves and wears animal skin. Okay students, today you will have to write question answers that are given here in your notebook of science. Don't forget to underline topic and subtopic like this way. Today you will have to complete question number 1 that is written here and question number 2 that is written here. You can see and you are seeing these questions. You are seeing clearly these questions are written here. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.